you how to use Burp Suite. Yes, Burp Suite. So it's a great tool for hacking websites. And so I'm going to take you from start to finish with the basics. You can kind of figure out from here, but this will get you through a lot of the hacking exercises. So the first thing you want to do is we need to set up our web browser to be able to interact with Burp Suite, which means we got to set up our website to connect to a proxy. So in Firefox, I'm going to click on the three little lines over here. I forgot what they call it. I don't care. But you know what I'm talking about. Click on that, and then we're going to type proxy in the search. It brings up the proxy settings. Choose manual proxy configuration, HTTP proxy 127.0.0.1 and port 8080. Stop the video if you need to see that, but I'm moving on. All right, so once you set that, that means Burp Suite is going to be able to intercept anything. It's basically sending all your web traffic to your machine. What's up, Kramer? And you're going to be able to intercept it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually go to the Kali Linux logo in the top left-hand corner. We're going to type Burp, B-U-R is enough. Burp Suite comes up. I'm going to walk you through the options. It's real simple. Maybe one day you get all fancy and complex. Select OK here for this message. And once you click OK, then we're going to do that. All right, somebody in the chat, what did you know? You didn't do anything. All right, so once you get here, we're going to go ahead and choose close. We're not going to do an update. I need to do that later, but don't do that right now. Okay, well, not when you're getting started. Temporary project, select that. Use Burp Suite defaults to use that, and then allow Burp Suite to open. And once Burp Suite opens, we're going to be able to do some magic here. It's really nice. It's really simple. And it's just a few basic concepts. And then I'll do another video getting into some of the more detailed features of it. Okay. Because there's a lot of stuff I don't even know how to use. Now, what you want to do immediately is once Burp Suite opens, you want to go to the proxy configuration and make sure intercept is turned on. Now that intercept is turned on, we can do some cool things. So I'm going to go to, let's just try to go to google.com. It didn't work. You know why? Because Burp Suite literally intercepted the request. You see this right here? It's intercepting my connection to Google. And it allows me to literally be able to change and manipulate values in here before it. But the next step of the process is you want to forward the request. So once you capture it, you then have to forward it, or you can drop it. Okay, so you got several things. But in order for you to continue, all right, so you're literally stepping through everything that's going back to Google. And by the way, I'm not screwing with this because I'm not trying to get in trouble by actually doing any kind of manipulation of what I'm sending to Google. Okay, does that make sense? But what happens is every time that you go to the site, Burp Suite's going to jump in and it's going to intercept. So I click forward, and I forward all those requests because you see, when you're going to Google, it's a whole bunch of things that happen. So let's just say, let's go to Twitch and watch this. Once again, I'm intercepting the request, and there's Burp Suite. It captures it right there. Host equals Twitch, forward, and guess what? I'm on Twitch. It's going to capture that. And so you literally get a chance to methodically step through everything that you send to the website. And that's it to start. That is how you set up Burp Suite. Now, we get into more detail later, but this will get you started. That is the basic configuration. If this video was helpful, don't forget to drop a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By the way, look at all the stuff that's coming up forward. And if we, I mean, literally look at all the stuff that Twitch loads. OCSP, direct search, DigiSearch. Look at all this stuff. It's a lot that goes on behind the scenes, and Burp Suite allows you to see it. Anyway, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more hacking tips and tutorials.